guys, it's Mara Marie. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to do my thoughts and a product review on the new Blond Absolu by Kerastase. I'm a hairstylist in the salon. I specialize in blonde hair. I had a week of using it on my clients. Every color I took down this week, I ended up using one combination or another on my clients, and I'm absolutely in love. I'm in love with the condition it leaves it. It's completely different than any other purple shampoo I've ever used. What makes this shampoo so different from every other purple shampoo is, number one, it leaves it in amazing condition. It has actually, especially this, both shampoos have what they call they're illuminating, which means it's almost like a mirror reflecting back. It coats the hair, glosses it, and it reflects back out. It leaves it that much shinier than if you were to use just regular shampoo. And not only that, but it has hyaluronic acid and edelweiss. They get deep into the cuticle of the hair and help repair it. This shampoo is for lightened or highlighted hair. What's so amazing about this shampoo is it actually just has a little tiny bit of purple so that you can use it every day, which I've never found in a purple shampoo. So the next product is going to be the ultraviolet shampoo. If you're a level 5 or lower with highlights, I would say you can use this every day. It is a really blue-violet. It cancels both yellow and orange because it's a blue-violet base and not just a violet base. And this is an after shampoo intense fortifying treatment. It has fibers in it that help repair the hair. And what else is in this? This one has the same 2 hydrating ingredients, and of course you rinse this out. This one is a really light lavender. This takes the place of your everyday conditioner. I was really amazed when I used this. Not only did it get the tangles out, it knocked out any warmth in my hair, and then at the same time I was surprised that I have a little natural wave in the back of my hair, and it was all still there. And that's a hard thing for me to find, is a conditioner that works good enough to get all the tangles out yet still keeps body in the hair. You don't find that very often. So for example, if you have dark brown hair and you have caramel highlights in your hair, I would say you can use the ultraviolet twice a week and use this every day. If you're platinum, best advice for you would be to use this once a week and use this one every day, and then you could use this one every day too. If you have gray hair, it will make it a more beautiful tone of gray. They also make a mask for the hair, which I don't have. It's really a dark purple. Remember, with blonde hair, not only are you going to have roots in about 3 weeks popping out, depending on how blonde you are, but also you need to take extra special care of your hair. It is the most high maintenance color you can have. It will always look better if you're maintaining it and keeping it super healthy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video, and please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I will see you all right back here on my channel.